Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about the Cisco women internship program. This is hiring for the software engineer internship for women at Cisco. This will be an on-site internship in Bangalore, India, and you will be working on multiple tech stacks that you have had knowledge in during your college years. So what they want you to have as a must-have eligibility is you should be a female engineering student passing out in the year 2028, right? That is their only eligibility criteria, as I can see, because the rest of the required skills or qualifications that they want you to have are basically that you should be having a curious mind, you should be a technical enthusiast, you should be familiar to at least one development in environment and enjoy troubleshooting, debugging, and definitely you should be a good communicator so that you're able to explain your approach to your team members in an effective and efficient manner. So again, the only eligibility criteria that they have is you should be a female candidate graduating in the year 2028. Now, what you will be working on as a part of this software engineering internship is you will be applying your knowledge in languages like Python to build impactful tools. You will be utilizing your knowledge of fundamentals like object oriented programming and TCP/IP networking routing. Um, so if you have some experience in UI UX, if you have interest in UI UX, you can actually be a part of their creative designs to develop your impactful tools, and you will gain exposure to kernel programming and system space development throughout your internship. So this is what your responsibilities will be looking like, and the eligibility and qualification skills that they require you to have to be a part of their software engineering internship drive. So moving on to the hiring process that they will be following for this role. The recruitment process at Cisco, it involves around 3 to 4 rounds, starting with the first online assessment round where you'll be asked questions in 2 sections. The first one will be 42 MCQ based questions on topics like operating systems, networking, OOPS, DBMS, computer fundamentals, and aptitude based questions will also be asked in this round. Now, the second section will be a DSA coding section where you'll be asked questions from topics like graphs, dynamic programming, etc. Now, once you get through this round, you will be called for an interview, technical interview, which will be spanning over say 30 to 45 minutes, and it will be taken by a software engineer. So you'll be expecting questions on your previous internships, how you have impacted your team in your previous internship, what your contributions were, and you'll be asked some questions on your resume, basically your project questions, why you've used the specific tech stacks that you've used, and what features have you implemented which will be beneficial to the end user. So these are the project based questions and internship based questions. You will also be asked to code your DSA questions, so they will be easy to medium level for this round. So I try to ask the clarifying questions that he expects you to ask before you start solving your code, because otherwise you'll have to debug later on to solve test cases that you have missed out in your first attempt. Try to get your minimum possible time and space complexity, that goes without saying. Now, after your first interview, once you get through it, you'll be asked to join for a second interview, which will also be kind of technical. So you'll again This one can be a bit non-technical as well, because you will be asked to start with your introduction, some stuff about what your hobbies are, but you will be asked questions on tech stuff as well. So you'll be asked what your uh, networking questions, you'll be asked about protocols that you use. Database management systems will also be tested here. You'll be asked to design system design you'll have to develop, which will be a competitor to one of the most sought after applications that we use nowadays, say Instagram. You might have to design a data structure that will store some kind of database. So these questions, what kind of questions that you should be expecting, go through the PYQs from sites like Geeks for Geeks. They'll be the best place where you can find the PYQs. Now, once you get through this second technical interview, you'll have to sit for a third interview, which will be called an ETR Connect. That's what Cisco calls it. It's the Emerging Talent Recruitment Round. So this will be not too long. It will be a 10 to 15 minutes casual conversation with you, between you and the recruiter. So they'll be asking you about your availability, your stipend details, how excited you are to join, your motivation, how culturally fit you are for the team, and so on. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into this internship role. This is a summer internship at Cisco. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the link to the application portal in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. And I do post quite frequently for students, college students who are on the lookout for internship and job openings. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.